Hey artists and art lovers, welcome back to this FAQ session. I recently deep dived and collected 10 unique and most frequently asked questions from the comment sections of my videos. And today I'm gonna answer each one of them. If you think your questions are not listed in this video, you can comment them here on this video and I will soon make another Q&A video on those new questions. Secondly, I wanted to do some voting for a new category of videos. Those who follow me on Instagram may have seen some posts about pencil carving and stuff. I'm the first pencil carving artist of my country and now I want to make some tutorials on how to do pencil carving using only some ordinary and homemade tools. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do so, because you guys have been supporting me for a year now and I don't want to do anything without your suggestions. So please make sure to comment your opinions. Anyways, the first and most important question is from which country I belong to. Well, I'm a proud citizen of an Asian country named Pakistan, and most of the European world think of us as terrorists. Well, I know Pakistan has been facing terrorism for a long time, but things are different now. Plus, I never focused on these type of things, including politics and stuff, because I have some more important goals and dreams in my life, and you guys are really helping me achieving them. Secondly, I have a huge number of audience from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Brazil, and approximately 207 different countries around the world. And let me tell you that I love you all so very much and I will keep making these type of free YouTube tutorials for you guys. Now the second question is which pencil brand I used in my drawings. Well, I'm currently using Eiffel's smooth graphite pencils, but as Eiffel is a local brand in Pakistan and it doesn't have any website or online store for international customers, so I'm gonna shift to any other international brand and I will let you know which one of them is better for graphite drawings. I used Tombo's high precision drafting pencils about a year ago and I really like the results. So you can use them if they are available in your country. I will drop a link in the description. Okay, the third question is which editor I use for video editing and stuff. So I use a lot of different softwares for different purposes, like Wondershare Filmora for basic video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced video editing, and Adobe After Effects and Photoshop CS6 for graphics and animations. But if you are beginner in video editing, I would recommend using Wondershare Filmora because it's simple and super easy to understand. Okay, fourth question. How much time did I invested in my record-winning artwork entitled A Little Bliss? Well, I draw for an hour or two each day and it took me approximately 1.5 months to complete the whole drawing, or 45 to 50 hours in total if you count the hours. By the way, I am planning to make a complete series of tutorial on how to draw a hyper-realistic portrait. It's already in process and I will soon schedule the whole series on my channel, so stay tuned. Okay, now the fifth question is what's the type of paper I use for my drawings? And that's the most frequently asked question I get on almost all of my videos. Actually, I'm a self-taught artist and I started drawing on ordinary printing papers, sheets and charts. I tried almost every sketching paper available near my place, including cartridge, Canson, scholar sheets and all those expensive and fancy sheets for drawing purpose. But believe me, I really enjoyed using ordinary hard white chart because it has a smooth surface and I as a hyperrealism artist love using smooth papers for my drawings. So I always use these ordinary hard white charts which cost about 24 cents in United States and 30 rupees in Pakistan, which is really cheap I think. So anyways, moving on to the next one. What's your profession and hobbies? Okay, so I am an engineer by profession and sketching is just an hobby, but I have some major goals in it, including world record in hyperrealism sketching and being the fastest hyperrealism artist in this world. My current speed for a life-size hyperrealistic portrait is about 40 to 50 hours. And now I'm planning to make it less than 20 to 15 hours. By the way, I'm a student of BS Electrical Engineering and my primary passion in life is advanced robotics. I'm currently working on a humanoid robot as a final year project of my degree. And I will soon post some videos on my personal vlogging channel for those who are interested in robotics. Okay, now the seventh question is what type of brushes do I use in my drawings for blending purpose? As I always mention in my videos, these are the soft synthetic watercolor brushes and the manufacturer name is Bomegia. You can only get a smooth shade with a soft and synthetic watercolor brush. Other types of brushes like oil paint brushes cannot blend very smoothly because they are hard. You need a soft watercolor brush to blend the graphite. Okay, eighth question. Do you eat your nails? Yes, I do. I know it's a bad habit, but I can't do anything about it. I have this nail biting disorder thingy since I was 3 years of age. Okay, ninth question. Which pencil is best for shading? Actually, there is no specific pencil for just the shading purpose, other than those woodless graphite pencils which can only be used for backgrounds and larger shades. Wooden pencils are actually great for shading and I always use them in my drawings. Now, the last and most important question, how long does it take to be perfect in sketching? Well, I started sketching in September 2016 and this was the first sketch I ever made in my life. And after a lot of practice and investing a huge amount of time, I created this realistic portrait just after 2 months. And believe me or not, both have the same reference image. So it's all about practice. If you really want to learn to draw, you have to invest some time and learn different techniques and methods. You can follow any one of my tutorial or you can suggest a reference of your choice and I will make a complete tutorial video on it. Anyways, I hope you got the answers of your questions. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will add them to my next Q&A video. And don't forget to vote for pencil carving videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trying and have a nice day.